I'm going to be making a panel clamp, and a panel clamp will be similar to this, except when you put these pieces in and you tighten it, the pieces can buckle or fall apart. So I'm going to secure it, and I'll show you how I do that. So to start out, I'll be using some 1¼ inch ply. I've just glued 2 pieces together. So here I'm marking the holes for the dowels. The next part is to cut some slots for the screw clamp. So here I have a dowel about 5½ inches long, and I'll be drilling a hole right through the center. So I put it in a V block and made some markings, and here I go. And now I can move up to a larger size bit. My panel clamp is complete, and I'll show you how it works. The first part to the clamp is this system here. It's a dowel and a screw, and it slides in the track. So now I'll take these boards and make a panel. So I have all the planks. The next thing is to take some dowels. Put the dowels in the holes. And here's some little blocks, spacer blocks. And so far. Now, to show you how it works, if I were to tighten this, you'll see it'll start to buckle. Like so. So to avoid that, and we'll add the bars, the top bars. And there it is. Very solid, very tight, and that's my panel clamp.